Watch. You squeeze here like this, you wave, and look, you get a little. Yeah, it's kind of like, you know, those, the ones that you can kind of split it open and you can see how you can put it over your nose and stuff, right? Well, it doesn't really split unless you kind of take it like this and you just give it a little tiny rub like that. It looks like two, unless you squeeze, and then
Wait, what?
Why didn't you do that?
and then you do get two. Look, check it out, right? Here's the thing. Look, if I take this, place it there, and take this one, and no, wait. I think is this one goes here, this one goes in that hand. Yeah, squeeze tight. Don't let me get to it, because this is the crazy part. The moment I snap here, it vanishes from there, and it appears inside of your hand. Take a look. Isn't it? Here, let's try it with you. Look, here. Oh, sorry. Hold on to that. Okay. Squeeze tight. Don't let me get to it. Watch. Okay. We place there, snap, and instantly it disappears. Check.
Oh, that's crazy.
Here, do you mind if I try this with you? Because it could. Here, go here. For you, I want you to imagine anything you like. Could be anything. Use your imagination. Focus on it. Visualize it real big. And just imagine it. It's right there. You're ready?
Yeah.
Let's see. Open up.
What the fuck?
Oh, why are you thinking of that? Why are you thinking of that?
Hey.
Why are you thinking about that?
That's crazy. Bro.
Yeah, why are you still holding
Bro, my
it?
bad. No,
Always wanted to see
I
it
do
done.
not actually.
Ah, but you've seen it?
Does it go on your nose?
Oh my God, you've seen it before.
No, you've seen it then.
So
No,
you
I
know what
haven't.
happens.
Okay, you gotta do
No,
it then.
I'm
You gotta
just
do it
using
then.
common sense,
You gotta do
guys.
it
This
then.
is the nose thing.
Dude, I don't have common sense.
Where's the little hole?
Hmm?
Never
Is
mind.
there a little hole?
There's
What do you
supposed
mean?
to be a little hole.
Yeah, it's there. If you don't see it, look, like you squeeze like this, and it looks like, you just have to split it open. There. Ah, crap, I split it too much. It turned into two.
That's crazy.
Yeah, but this is not actually what I wanted to show you.
Oh, okay.
It's just because you brought up the thing about splitting, so I was like,
Yeah.
these are like cells, so they split in half.
Hold on, guys.
What I wanted to show you is you just have to do an observational test. What do you remember about what I had in my hand?
It was a red ball.
Around what size? Some people don't forget.
About this
That's,
big.
wow, perfect.
Yeah.
How did you do? Good?
I think we did pretty good.
Okay. Now, what happens if I take the ball, just like before, I snap my fingers, it looks like it disappears, but it doesn't. It actually goes, I believe, all the way down into my pocket. But that's just because that's the nature of how balls work. But let's do the observational test, because that's, again, not what I wanted to show you. What I wanted to show you, remember everything you can about what you see. It goes right there, okay? And nothing sneaky. Where's the ball? Where?
It might be there.
Okay, what do you remember? What do you
Hold
remember
on,
about
hold
the
on.
object?
In your pocket?
Oh my God, you've seen this before, right? Yeah, she's seen it before, because look, here I have this cube,
the-
and then he's probably like, oh, he has the ball in the other hand. But oh, no, that's the black ball, and you are right. Where did you say it was?
Pocket?
In my pocket, but not this one. That would be too obvious. I made it go into this one. This is the best one right there. But a little bit. A little bit. But check it out. Look, here's what we'll do. Now you remember all of the objects, right? This is the final observational test. I switch my hands like this just to confuse you. But what do you remember about the objects that were in my hand?
There's a red sphere, a black ball, and a red ball that's slightly bigger than all of them.
And
Or
the
red square.
and
Yeah.
I said sphere.
Okay, so three objects, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes I still don't understand this one. It's just this huge, just big sponge. I don't understand. Who got them all right?
Not me.
This is what happens. Look, you see here?
Yeah.
If I start squeezing like that, nothing happens. But look, if I squeeze like this and snap,
I'm gonna guess the coin.
watch.
Fucking ball come out.
Check it out, look. It's like one of those you put on your nose, but not really, because it's not red.
Yeah.
But here's the crazy thing. If I pull it, I can't really rip it apart, but if I squeeze like this, I can make it look like two. Right here, let me see your hand. Watch, look, it looks like two, right? And then look. Oh no, you can open. Watch, look. Yeah. Watch, look. Just like this. Look. Look. You see? Look.
Bro, that's sick. 2 balls.
Look, check it out. Look. If I put this one here, okay, and then we take. Oh no, actually, no. This one goes here. This one. If I take this one here and we take this one, you squeeze this one really tight. Don't let me get to it. Squeeze really tight. Watch this. Watch. I can then take this one, render it invisible, throw it up into the air, and it lands in your hand. Go ahead.
Bro. That was sick.
Here. I'm gonna hold on to this one. You hold on to this one, please. All right, hold it tight. Don't let me get to it. Look, check it out. Watch. Look. If I hold here, I hold this one. Watch. Look. I hold this one. Watch. 1, 2, and 3.
Oh, bro, I'm not opening my head.
Open your hand.
Bro! How does the ball appear in my head again?
You want to see something cool too? Here, this is, I can probably try to do this. If I go like this, I can kind of get like a, it's almost like a clown nose, right? The ones that, can you check it? Like the ones that split in half and you put them over your, you've seen those? Those are kind of like a cell. They're like, you can take them and when you squeeze like this, it looks like 2, right? But we know it's 1. Yeah. And if I go like this, then it becomes 2 just because we imagine it, you know? Right? It's not like they go into each other or anything. Check them. Right? It's good. There's something really interesting. Here, look, I'll check it. Look, there's something, if I take this one and place it there, right? Yeah. Wait, no, actually, it's not this one. Yeah, take this one. Is this one. If I take this one, and then we take this one, and you hold on to this one as tight as you can so I can't get to it, here's the crazy thing. I can snap my fingers, render that ball completely invisible, and have it reappear somehow inside of your clenched fist. Go ahead, open your hand. And here's the thing though, like it works even if we try. Here, you hold on to this one super tight. Watch this. I can squeeze here and immediately it goes from here. Open up your hand. It happens in an instant. Here. It's good, right? Who has the better imagination of all of you guys? You have? You have?
It's him. I don't.
Okay. Here, hold on to these 2. Yeah. Hold them tight and imagine anything you want. Picture it vividly as huge in your mind as you can. Oh my God, this guy's imagining the craziest things I can already. This is not gonna go. Okay, before it happens, open up your hand. Before it happens. Oh.
I was not imagining that, bro. All right, bro, you gotta hold it. I don't even want to hold this, bro. I was not imagining that.
I have an extra one right here. Look, I have an extra one. I have an extra one right here. This is what happens. Question, because they haven't seen. How many balls do you have in your hand? 2. Check it out. Look, watch. This is the 3rd ball. If I squeeze here, take a little magic powder, just put it right there. Watch. 1, 2. It goes invisible. Remember that? Yeah. And it lands. Open up your hand. And here's the thing. Look, watch. If I take the ball and I just squeeze it like this, it looks like 2. It actually splits into 2. Oh, so now we have 4 balls. Check this out. Watch. I can take this ball. Okay, this ball goes here. No, it's not this one. It's this one. So sorry. If I take this one goes here. This one you squeeze tight in your hand. This is what happens. Watch. 1, 2. Don't let me get to it. Watch. 1, 2, 3. It goes from here. No sleeves. Into your hand. Open up your hand.
Open your hand.
Isn't that crazy? Isn't that? Here.
Oh,